A little bit of cleanup to do, but the carpet's installed. Got the pretty seats, got the pretty door panels, got the glass in there. Nice new window cranks, sill plates. I bet if the old girl could talk, this back seat could tell you some stories. We're still waiting on the proper rear window. We had a little trouble with the fitment. We have a new one coming that should fit better. But look at that headliner. Sun visors. My homemade dash. It's came out really nice. It's gonna make the young man a nice car. Well, the 57 Chevy needs a little dust cleaning. I'm not too sure who painted the oil pan. I think we have an adhesion problem there. But we do have dual exhaust, some cherry bombs. In the next video we'll crank her up so you can hear her, but I wanted everybody to see how pretty she is underneath. Except for the dust, but you know, it's in a body shop. Got some nice tips hanging out the back. New fuel tank, everything new underneath pretty much. Even a fresh coat of paint. It looks pretty good.